here's the balance belt tensioner, and the way to set this up, if you can see here, obviously it's got to be set up in the middle there, and what we're hearing is this knock. So if I pull the belt just to simulate tensioning, ready? Can you see that knocking like that? That's what it's doing. Now obviously this one's set, it's returning exactly where I wanted it to be. I've tried readjusting this a couple of times. I've tried even lowering it down, but yet every time I run it up and it gets warm, it seems to be bouncing back up and hitting it. Now I'm told to take off the balance belt and tensioner and just do away with it. I don't know. I mean, obviously it's meant to be running with a balance belt. It's meant to be running a lot smoother. But to take it off isn't the end of the world. But why is the tensioner doing that? To be continued. Okay, running with a different make tensioner now. Look at that. Nice and still, it's not jumping around anywhere. Obviously it's not knocking. It's the SKF kit. I've got Dayco belt and tensioner here, SKF here. I actually can't see a lot of difference. It's all about the profile. Is that one more round? And that one more castle? I don't know. And again with the belts. To be fair, I can't see much. But I do know when I put the Dayco on, it doesn't make the noise. When I put the SKF, it does.